How to generate your Access Bank ATM card PIN and activate your new debit card online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can generate Access Bank ATM card PIN and activate your new debit card online. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, if you're on your mobile application, all you have to do is simply download and install the application. After that, log in using your credential. Once you're logged in, you can navigate to card section and select your debit card. Then it's gonna ask you to set your PIN. So simply tap on set PIN and enter your preferred 4-digit PIN. After that, you have to confirm your choice. Then for the authentication, you have to enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. So enter the correct code. So once you are authenticated and once the authentication is complete, you can use the card for a transaction to complete the activation. Ensure your mobile number is registered with the bank for the OTP authentication, and if you face any issues, you can visit your nearest Access branch for the assistance. And if you're on your browser through the Access Bank internet banking, you have to log in with your customer ID and password. So you can simply go to accessbank.com and then tap on login. So once you're here, you have to log in using your customer ID and password. After you're logged in, you can navigate to the services or debit card section. Then select the set PIN or reset PIN or similar options. Then you have to choose the debit card for which you want to generate a PIN. Enter your 4-digit PIN and confirm. Once that, again, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile and enter the OTP to complete the process. Then perform a transaction to your card and that will activate your debit card. So these are the way to activate or to generate your Access Bank ATM card PIN and activate your debit card online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.